Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at E-Trade and I'm gonna do some options trading. You can see my cash is kind of low, so I need to get some more cash in my account, and the gain is not that great. So need to do better, suck less. All right. So what I want to do today is I want to trade Stellantis. I'm not really thrilled with the way some of their things are going right now, but I do still like a few of the cars in the line. Let's see what happens. But here's what I want to do. I want to trade some options. I'm going to do a couple covered calls. And, well, here it is. Stellantis right at the top of my list. So my price you saw before, cost basis, was $17.94, I believe. So if I go 17 and 18, that's good. I think I'm be happy with that. Sell to open, and then I'll sell to open at 18. So both of these together, not quite $2, but whatever. I'd like to see $2. But I guess if I put them both at 17, I could. But yeah, we'll see how this works out. All right, so I'm going to say, I'm going to do a limit. Net credit. The net credit that I want is 1.70. I think that's pretty reasonable. I mean, obviously, if they can get me better terms, I'll take it. But I'll do it for the day. And all or none, that's fine. It's only two. Not a huge baller here. And it's only two covered calls. Estimated commission, $1. Total estimated proceeds, 168. Not bad. Not bad. All right. So hopefully that will get placed. It's in the market. Hopefully somebody will pick it up, and I'll go look at the portfolio. And it looks like it was executed almost immediately. So here we go. You can see my position here in Stellantis in September, the monthly expiration. And we'll see how that goes. Anyway, you can see from all the dividends and whatnot, I have an extra 38.547 whatever shares. I don't mind hanging on to those, I guess, if I have to. Pretty good deal. But if they get liquidated, not a big deal. Can always roll them later if they get in trouble. If I really want to keep the stock or do something else, we'll see. Be sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned, become a member of the channel, pay whatever the fee is. I don't remember the fee structure anymore, but it's a lot cheaper than it used to be to become part of my stock group. To get on my real-time stock trades, like this one, for example, and many others, especially when they close. That's when it becomes important to get the real-time stuff, not a couple days later. So anyway, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe and join the channel and the private stock group. Thanks for watching.